Aquarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for August 1 to 15, 2024. Ayan. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Aquarius. What's up? 8th house, mystery. Parang meron kang gustong tuklasin, alamin, o baka meron kang matutuklasan. Hidden na secrets ngayong first half ng August. We also have Vesta Hearth. Maaring anything that you are passionate about, no? Kasi this is about what you want, what you love to do, yung burning passion mo. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, you will realize what you really want, no? Ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay. What makes you feel energetic, what makes you feel passionate. Relationship, ayan, main concern nyo rin ngayong first half ng August ang inyong relationship. Baka meron ka matutuklasan about your partner. Okay? So, later, malalaman natin yan. But, it seems like, kung kayo ay may karelasyon ngayon or you're getting to know someone, pwedeng meron ka pang may mga revelation sa relationship ninyo. Pwede rin tong hindi romantic, pwede rin friendship, pwede rin business partnership. 8th house is also about endings and new beginnings. So, pwedeng merong relationship connection na nag-e-end at meron namang magsisimula. Okay? Your overall energy, new beginnings, speaking of magsisimula, Ace of Wands. This is career, new career. So, pwedeng yon yung tinutuklas nyo, yung inyong passion, what you are passionate about in your career, yung inyong life's purpose. So, new beginnings for you. Yung iba may travel opportunities ngayong first half ng August. Your challenge is the 4 of Wands sa family. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging situation within your family, pwedeng magkaroon ng tampuhan, or problema sa finances, pwede ring sa bahay, or iba kasi nag-aaway-away sa lupa, ari-arian. Or just within the family na may tampuhan, ganyan, na parang may conflict. Lalo na kasi, partnership rin eh. So, yung may mga asawa na sa inyo, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng, ang isa sa challenge sa inyo is yung misunderstanding within the family members. Your opportunity is the 4 of Cups. Bored yung iba sa inyo. Alam nyo, kung kayo'y bored, meron kayong opportunity na may matuklasan about yourself, about yung mga bagay na pwede mo pang subukan, gawin, para mawala yung boredom mo. Oo, ang daming pwedeng gawin. Kailangan lang talaga natin tuklasin yan. Sumubok ng mga bago. Parang meron kayong gustong gawin na hindi niyo magawa before. Pwedeng may mga pumipigil sa inyo, may limitation sa inyo. But now, I feel like you have the opportunity to finally do it. Ayan na, may new beginnings ka na. Your blessing, the Magician. You are finally taking action. Very powerful energy. Okay, the Magician is also someone na mabilis, magaling, mag-manifest. So, ang blessing mo ngayon, malakas ang iyong manifestation skills. Kaya i-push mo na. Itodo mo na yan. Okay, let's see what else. Yung iba, you are stepping into your own power. I think isa ito sa mga na tutuklasan yung iba nyo pang galing, abilities, oo, talento na alam nyo na pwede nyo pang i-explore. And this will bring you abundance, no? Kung kayo ay magte-take ng action. Unconditional love, romance, soulmates. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng papasok kayo sa bagong relationship because you feel like this is a very deep connection. Romantic connection with someone. That's the new beginning rin para sa iba. Yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. Realizing your power na hindi pala limitado yung kakayanan mo. Marami ka palang pwedeng gawin. 'Di ba? Speaking of, maraming pwedeng gawin. You are free. May kalayaan ka, high vibrational. You want to do things na masaya, no? Yung mga fun things. There's also success. You are able to attain your goals. Mas nagiging malawak ang iyong perspective sa buhay. Let's see your money, career, finances. The Three of Wands. This is about expansion ng iyong finances. This is adventure, good luck. So yung iba, pwedeng may opportunity ng pag-travel abroad or pagtatrabaho abroad. Basta nag-expand yung capabilities of earning more money. And even sa career mo, mas dumadaming options na available para sa'yo. Six of Swords. May pag-travel. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong business partnership with someone na mangangailangan na kayo ay magsasama together para ma-explore nyo pa yung gusto nyong subukan na business. Iba naman, pwedeng romantic partner nyo mismo ang nyo rito, no? Kasama nyo. Di ba may mga ganon, yung mga mag-asawa, mag-jowa, ayan, sila yung nagkakaroon ng sarili nilang negosyo. So, yung iba sa inyo, may offer din, may kontrata. Pwedeng abroad ito, yung mga gusto magtrabaho abroad, may opportunity sa inyo. You have, may feast, meron kang isa-celebrate. Yan magpa-process ka na daw ng documentations na kailangan mo sa business mo or sa trabaho mo. Tapos kung meron kang court cases, anything related sa legal matters, ikaw ay magbe-benepisyo dito. Let's see your love life. Queen of Cups, Five of Cups, Nine of Wands. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a relationship, pinipili nyo na magstay sa relationship na yan kasi mahal nyo yung tao. Kahit na marami na kayong napagdaan ng challenge ng taong to, yung person that you are dealing with. Diba sabi nga it's a choice. Love is a choice. Manifest. Chemistry. If you're single naman, pwedeng you are manifesting your romantic partner or meron ka ngayon nakakausap na meron kayong chemistry together na nagkakaintindihan kayo. Or maaaring meron person na nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo dahil masarap kang kausap. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Stepping into your power. Don't take a backseat in your story. It's time to step up. Yes. You are stepping into your own power. So, yung iba sa inyo may promotion, basta may pag-increase, no? Pag-angat ng iyong estado sa buhay. dear. Approach the situation with a light heart. Yes. Magtiwala ka sa proseso. Yun yung sinasabi natin. Trust the process. Kasi may proseso tayong kailangang pagdaanan and eventually it will result sa magandang resulta na gusto mo. You will receive that result na gusto mo talaga. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.